Today I'll be opening the Ducks of Disney mystery pins. These were released in December of 2024 and they are available in the parks for $44.99 per bag, and there are 5 pins in each bag. These are super popular right now, and since they are an open edition series, my guess is these will be around for quite a few years. So I'm guessing 3 years down the road, maybe even 4 years, you'll still be able to get these in the parks. But if that's not the case, don't hold it against me because I don't know, that's just a guess. So the pin designs here feature a rubber ducky that's themed to various Disney characters. This is a 16 pin collection, and the pin designs that we can get are Powerline, Baymax, Sorcerer Mickey, Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Marie, Cheshire Cat, Donald Duck, Angel, Dumbo, Daisy, Tinkerbell, Flounder, Goofy, Stitch, and Tigger. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 3 bags here to open up, which is 15 pins total. So I can't complete the collection in this unboxing, but my goal here is to get as close as I can, so I have less to find. So I was holding off on these for quite a long time because I feel that $44.99 is a little too much for these pin bags. But I did find someone who does park pickups at Hong Kong Disneyland, and so I got these bags for $32.99 per bag, which, yeah, I like that price. So the only question I have for myself is, why did I only get 3 bags? I should have got at least a 4th bag so I had a chance, right? I don't know what I was thinking there. Anyway, this bag here, you can see it had the glue didn't get on the bag, so it was opened up when I got it. But the bag, or the pins, are loose. Not loose, they're in bags, in the bag in a bag. So then these black bags, we're gonna see what we get here for pin number 1. We have, well, from the back, it looks like a duck. We have Cheshire Cat. So Cheshire Cat has nothing, I don't know, do any of these have? Oh yeah, some of them have things coming off the top, but this one's pretty plain. So in the back, it just looks like a duck. So Cheshire Cat, we have the pink and darker pink stripes there. Very cool. Really big pins. Decent sized pins for these kinds of pin bags. All right, let's see what we get. Pin 2. See, now this one looks like has things coming off the top, and it is Daisy. So it's Daisy's bow on the top of the duck head there. Very cool. So we have her, hey, we got kind of a theme going on, the pinks and the purples. All right, let's see what we get for pin 3. Pin 3, well, I was gonna look at the back first, but he flipped over, and it is Donald. So we have Donald Duck there, and he's got his red bow tie and his blue hat. So he can be right next to Daisy. And it looks like the face of the duck are all the same. It's just like if you bought like a pack of rubber duckies or something, they're gonna all look the same. They just have different painting on them and different hats, I guess, than these. All right, so pin 4, from the back, I can already tell whose hat is on this duck head. It is Goofy. It's a very distinct shaped hat. So we have Goofy. He's got his orange shirt, and he's got the green hat. Very cool. And then the last one for the first bag, for the open bag here, we have, ooh, I don't know who this is from the back. It is Marie. So Marie, white duck. She has her pink collar there, and then she has a little bit of hair coming up the top with a little pink bow. So there we go. Wow, that's five pins, and it's already halfway through my little stand here. So let's see what we get in bag 2. Now that we can start getting doubles, we don't want to see doubles, but what are the odds of that? All right, we're going to start bag 2 off with, well, it's not a double, it is Flounder. So we have Flounder with the blue stripes there. He's a yellow duck, blue stripes, and he's got the little bit of hair right there on the top of his head. Very cool. These are great. And the next one here, that one, I didn't cut really good. whip them out there. And this one, looking at the back, this looks like it might be a duplicate. And it is. So we have another Daisy. So we have 2 Daisy. Let's keep going. And this one looks pretty plain. Little something on the bump of the back of the head there. And it is Tigger. And the bump on the back of the head was an ear. So we have the Tigger striped duck. He's got a little ear in the back there. Very cool. All right. And now we have, oh, this is another double. I can tell from the back. It's another Goofy. So we have 2 Goofies and 2 Daisy. These are hard to cut open. These might actually be easier to rip open because they're kind of big. They're taking up a lot of space inside these black bags. Well, this is a new one, and I can tell what it is from the back. It is Tinkerbell. Those wings are huge. So we have Tinkerbell in her green dress, and she's got her kind of greenish blue wings. I'll actually put her down here. So we've hit the end here. Okay, so we're on to our last bag. Let's see how close we can get. I need to cut that again because that did not go through. See how close we can get to completing this collection. So I have less to hunt for, or maybe get a few more bags. All right, we have 5 pins to go here. And we have, ooh, it's a new one. And I know what this one is from the back too. It is Sorcerer Mickey. So we have Mickey in the red robe. And he's got the Sorcerer Apprentice hat on with Mickey ears. Very cool. I don't know where to put them. Put them right here. All right. This one, I feel some pointy things in the bag. Maybe it's another Tinkerbell. Ooh, it's not. Ooh, this is different. This is different. This is Stitch. The pointy thing was his ear. So we have Stitch, usual Stitch colors there with the big ears on the top of the duck. Very nice. We don't have Angel yet. You got Stitch, you gotta get Angel, right? All right, and then this one, I think we've seen this one before. No, we haven't. It is Powerline. I thought it was Flounder because I saw the little things coming off the top of the head, but it's Powerline. Powerline, his yellow outfit there, and he's got the little crazy piece of hair sticking up, and the sunglasses. Nice. Okay, 2 more to go. This one feels like there's not much going on. This one's just kind of plain. And it is very plain from the back. So will this be another Cheshire Cat, or is there another plain one out there? It's Baymax! Awesome! So Baymax is also very, very plain. So we have Baymax, we have the little spot there in the middle of the duck where you can put the chips, and then his eyes. You can only see one of his eyes, but you can see how it's got that line that connects the 2 eyes. That one is really cool. All right, and our last one for this unboxing, we have from the back, it looks different. I don't think we've seen this one. This one's really fat. And it is Dumbo. And it's really fat because his ears are taking up the whole left and right side of the duck. So we have the little, I don't even know what that's called, a scarf around him there. He's got his little yellow hat. So that is really cool. And I just noticed that these have, well, this one has 2 pin posts and so does Tinkerbell. But it looks like most of the other ones only have 1. So there we go. So how do we do? I think we did pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Nice. Hey, that was good. I'll take it. 13 out of the 16. That's awesome. So those were the Ducks of Disney mystery pens. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. My favorite, I think, is Baymax. I just think that one's pretty cool, the way you got the eye and you can see the line that's going to connect to the other eye that we can't see. I think that one's really cool, so that's my favorite here. And this was a great unboxing for me. I had 15 tries to get as close to 16 as I could get, and I got 13 out of those 16. So that's awesome. I only had 2 doubles. So I'm only missing 3 pins to complete this collection. And the 3 I'm missing are Minnie Mouse, Pluto, and Angel. So those were the 3 that I need to complete this collection. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.